Yeah, there's not much left of that. I think we could just weld that. I gotta check that dent out in it. What you're looking at here is the original OEM shock. In fact, it's part number EOTA 1808088A. Motorcraft, made in USA. So that is the OE shock. The OE shock that came on the truck. So this is what we've been working on. Yes, I put new shock mount brackets on, and the driver's side had some corrosion around where the bracket went, so I made plates to go on the back side, like you see, kind of reinforcing it a little bit. I went ahead and done both sides. The other side wasn't as bad, but I went ahead and done them just to be on the safe side. These brackets are relatively easy to change. They're riveted on, but all you have to do is just take a grinder, grind the rivets off, take a punch, and knock them out, and you're done. So, relatively an easy job. I think it took me about 20 minutes to grind the rivets off both of these and knock them through. And I'm over here at the blue truck, and I'll show you. See these 3 rivets here? There's one here, there's one here, and there's one there. You just take a grinder and you grind the heads off of them, take a punch or drift or something, knock them through, they pop right out. And it's no problem to put them on. You're looking at about 20 minutes worth of work, both sides, on reinstallation. It's really easy. And so, the reason that you didn't see the actual installation of the shocks themselves was because my video camera was dead and I had to charge it. So, and I actually put the nuts on yesterday. I thought they were 1/2 inch by 13, but they weren't. They were 12 millimeter by 1.75, which the 1/2 inch nut would thread on, but it wouldn't quite tighten up like it's supposed to. Almost there. And that's all it takes. That's good and snug. And this side is done. Alright, driver's side was a little tricky. But I think one of the threads wasn't quite right on it. But anyway, it went and it's on. That's the main thing. Alright, so we got the new shocks on the back. Let's test the suspension out. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's stiff as a board. That's definitely not going to go anywhere. Yeah, old ones are chewed up. New brackets, like I said, they're easy. They come with the bolts. The hardware supplied to install the new ones with. Except for this top, you'll have to get that. That is a 12 millimeter by 1.75. I thought it was a 1/2 by 13, but it's not. Maybe if you get one for an older application, it might be. I don't know. And of course, your shocks. Actually, I got these off of eBay, and I got the new shocks off of Rock Auto. Rock Auto has been pretty much my go-to for parts like that. I got a real good deal on some new shocks. They're Gabriel, they're heavy-duty Gabriels, so they should last a long time. Anyway, it's TGIF. It's time to shut it down for the night and go in. Tomorrow, I am changing the oil, and I think I have an air filter for this Escape. It belongs to my sister. It is. You probably can't see it. 65,909 miles. She brought it home and had 17 on it. So, yep, that's what's getting... So, yeah, that's what's getting done tomorrow. Also, here a while back, I did not make another video. New tires. Because I put new rotors and brakes all the way around it. And the story for that was she had a flat tire, wanted me to put the spare on it. I'll be with you in a minute. And, well, I had it apart. I thought I'll just go ahead and put the brakes on it and be done with it. So, and of course, it was late at night when I done that. So, I didn't get to make a video. I was going to, but didn't get to. So, anyway, it's Friday, and I've worked all day, and it's time to close it up. So, anyway, hope you all have a good weekend, and time to throw this junk in the trash. Call it a night. So I will see you tomorrow, and y'all have a good weekend.